Hi guys, it's Thomas here from COTBase.com. Welcome to this week's Commitments of Traders review. Today we're going to have a look at the 23rd report of this year, and as usual we're going to start off with the changes in commercial positions. So here we go. British pound is on top of our list with a 34% change in commercials positions. We've got 45% change in large speculators. You can see these changes are much larger than average. We have seen such changes in the past. I believe this one that I'm just showing to you right now may be a good example for such a change size, and you can see that it had an effect on prices. Prices could go a bit even higher. So again, we're expecting, of course, a bullish reaction from the British pound towards this COT signal in the near term at least. Opening a 5 years chart, you can see that the COT Extreme picture is also indicating a more bullish picture in this market. It's been 156 reports since large speculators and commercials were such extreme in the market, and you can see that when they were at such levels, that coincided with a bottom in prices. So I believe that this again will have a positive effect on the British pound. The Chicago wheat is our next market with a 28% change in commercials positions. You can see the change size over here. Again, much larger change than average. In this case, we're talking about a bear COT change signal. You can see that on Friday we had a bit of a drop in prices, and of course this signal indicates that this decline may continue the next week. Opening a 5 years chart, here we go. You can see that we're moving away from bullish extreme levels, and as we do so, prices are going higher and higher. This was a very significant extreme in the market, so we're not surprised to see that happening. So of course this also means that the COT change signal being bearish, but still I think you should keep in mind that the wider picture that can be analyzed through the COT Extreme is definitely bullish right now. And the next market is Kansas City wheat. Of course, we're talking about a significantly correlating market, so we're not surprised to see a very similar signal over here. Again, bearish COT change signal, a bit smaller, only 23% change over there, but still significant as you can see on the chart. And of course, the price is moving very much as in case of the Chicago wheat. But let's open a 5 years chart here. You can see the same picture as we had in the Chicago wheat, that we're moving away from bullish extreme levels and price is going higher. The next market will be seen in or we're going to have a look at the sugar market, because we're going to analyze the next couple of markets by their extremeness. And opening a 5 years chart, that will just show you how extreme the market is at the moment in the sugar market. You can see a very significant bearish extreme over here. The last one we had back in the end of last year has had a very nice effect on price. We had a bit of a drop there, but since then prices have skyrocketed, and of course we're seeing this significant extreme in the market. That of course can continue for a couple more weeks, so of course be advised that any trade in this market should be taken with cautiousness. These extremes, these all-time COT extremes, of course, may be present in the market for quite some time. It's just, warning you that there's a very significant COT signal present right now, and that anybody who was considering a trade should take that into consideration. Soybeans is our next market with 197 report extreme over there. Opening a 5 years chart, everything becomes more visible. You can see it right now. It's a significant extreme, but on this 5 years chart you can see even greater extreme than in the past, giving us a warning that this extreme again may widen to even greater levels before we see a top happening in soybeans. Nevertheless, it's a very high extreme, and I think it's a market that we should analyze in the next couple of weeks and month. And corn, again, very similar picture over here. Very strong bearish COT extreme level. You can see how well price reacted to such extremes in the past. I'm just showing you these examples, and all of these were good signals, as you can see. So again, I think it's another great opportunity to take a trade. So that was corn, and with corn we have arrived to the end of this COT review. Don't forget that you can look at other COT charts on our COT charts page. Of course, a more in-depth and detailed COT analysis may be available on this page. And well, that's that. I hope you enjoyed this review, and I hope to see you not next week. I'm going to be abroad, taking a little bit of holiday, but the week after I'll be here. So until then, take care, and good trading. Take care. Bye-bye.